Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best French manicure set is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving that classic and elegant look, and today, we're diving deep into the world of French manicure sets to find the absolute best one for you. We will be looking at various factors such as ease of use, longevity, and overall quality to help you make an informed decision, saving you time and money in the process. Get ready to discover the perfect set to elevate your at-home manicure game. Number 5. VOILA Nail Polish Set. Achieve the classic French manicure look with ease. This set includes 5 beautiful sheer colors, perfect for creating a chic and timeless manicure. These lovely, light, and neutral colors complement any outfit. It provides high coverage with a superb glossy finish. This fast-drying nail polish is high pigment and long-lasting, lasting up to 6 days. It's beginner-friendly and easily removed. This nail polish is free from 21 harmful chemicals and is both cruelty-free and vegan. It's a cleaner and safer choice. Made in the USA with a customer satisfaction guarantee. We're committed to providing a positive and hassle-free ordering experience. What we like? If you are looking for a long-lasting and cruelty-free nail polish that is made in the USA, you should consider this set. Its beautiful, sheer colors are perfect for creating a classic French manicure that will last up to 6 days. The formula is high quality and easy to apply, making it perfect for beginners and experienced nail artists alike. What people say. Still looks good after 1 week, not a couple of days like other brands. I've had the same color on for 2 weeks and it still looks good. They dry quickly, but not too quickly. I'm able to fully cover my nail with 3 swipes without the product drying preemptively and get smooth coverage. Number 4. Saviland French Tip Nail Stamp Kit. This kit makes creating perfect French manicures easy. It includes everything you need for beautiful, salon-quality nails at home. The kit comes with both long and short stampers. Choose the one that best suits your nail size and design. The clear silicone stampers ensure that your designs transfer perfectly, without distortion. It's easy to see exactly where you're stamping. The high-quality silicone is durable and easy to clean. Simply wash it with water or use tape to remove excess polish. Achieve a flawless French manicure every time. The stampers are designed to make the process quick and simple. This kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Unleash your creativity and have fun with your nail art. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help. What we like? If you are a beginner or looking for an easy way to create a French manicure, this kit is for you. The clear stamper makes it easy to see the design, and the long and short stampers are perfect for different nail sizes. It's versatile and suitable for various nail art styles beyond French manicures. What people say. The 1B starter kit option for $12.99 comes with alcohol pads, a manual, 10 ml 0.34 ounces of gel white nail polish and the stamper. This product is amazing at creating French nails. It takes a little practice, but once you know what you are doing, they are perfect. Alcohol cleans easily. Can drop in when applying tip if not placed in holder evenly. Tip, make sure it's completely dry before applying polish. To use with regular polish, 1 swipe across per line layer of wide. Do not go over more, then will make wet and do the separation thing. Overall, with the right techniques, this can be used with a variety of polishes. Number 3. Saviland French Manicure Kit. This kit has everything you need for a perfect French manicure, right at home. It's easy to use and creates a professional look. You get a nail stamper, white gel polish, scraper, and cleaning pads. The silicone head is removable for easy cleaning. It's not just for French manicures. Use it to transfer various patterns and create all kinds of nail art designs. Even if you're a beginner, this kit makes creating beautiful nail art simple and fun. It's easy enough for kids, too. The upgraded silicone is durable, scratch-resistant, and super easy to clean. Just use the cleaning pads and you're good to go. After use, simply wash and air dry it. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help. Happy shopping! What we like? If you want a complete kit with everything you need for a French manicure, this is the one for you. It includes a stamper, white gel polish, scraper, and cleaning pads. The durable, easy-to-clean stamper will last for many uses, making it a great value for your money. What people say. The 1B starter kit option for $12.99 comes with alcohol pads, a manual, 10 ml 0.34 ounces of gel white nail polish and the stamper. This product is amazing at creating French nails. It takes a little practice, but once you know what you are doing, they are perfect. Alcohol cleans easily. Can drop in when applying tip if not placed in holder evenly. Tip, make sure it's completely dry before applying polish. To use with regular polish, 1 swipe across per line layer of wide. Do not go over more, then will make wet and do the separation thing. Overall, with the right techniques, this can be used with a variety of polishes. Number 2. RARJSM Nude Gel Polish Set. This set offers 6 sheer, jelly-like shades perfect for creating a natural-looking manicure. It's ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions. These transparent gel polishes create a beautiful, soft, and pale pink manicure. The subtle colors look fabulous on any skin tone. The set includes 6 7.5 ml bottles of sheer pink, white, light brown, and other nude shades. Experiment with 1, 2, or 3 layers for different effects. It's easy to apply and lasts for 21+ days with a perfect shine when used with a base and top coat. Remember to cure under a UV or LED lamp. This gel polish is perfect for both professional salons and home use. Create your own unique jelly nail designs with ease. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If contact occurs, rinse immediately with water and consult a doctor if needed. What we like. If you prefer a natural-looking French manicure, this set of sheer pink and neutral gel polishes is perfect. The 6 colors offer versatility, and the long-lasting formula will keep your manicure looking fresh for weeks. It's ideal for those who want a subtle yet elegant look. What people say. This set of 6 transparent, sheer jelly colors includes clear, light brown, pure white, and other beautiful neutral shades to give your nails a natural, elegant look. Each bottle 7.5 ml provides the perfect amount of gel polish, which requires UV LED curing for long-lasting results that won't chip or fade. The sheer jelly formula offers a buildable finish, letting you customize the opacity of your nails to suit your personal style. Number 1. Gorvalin Glitter French Manicure Kit. This kit has everything you need to create a stunning French manicure. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. It includes a silicone stamper, scraper, 6 nail art brushes, and dotting pens, plus nude pink and white gel polishes. Everything is in one place for your convenience. 6 different brush designs and 2 sizes of dotting ends give you endless creative possibilities. You'll be able to achieve any look you desire with ease. The nude pink and white gel polishes are perfect for creating that classic French manicure look. A little goes a long way, so this set will last. The brushes are made with premium nylon hair for smooth application, and the comfortable handles give you great precision and control. The polish is smooth and easy to apply. The silicone stamper makes creating a perfect French tip easy, whether you're at home or in a salon. It's simple enough for beginners yet versatile enough for complex designs. What we like. If you want an all-in-one kit with everything you need for a perfect French manicure, this is a great option. It includes a stamper, brushes, and nude pink and white gel polishes. The versatile brushes make it easy to create various nail art designs, and the high-quality polishes ensure a smooth and easy application. What people say. The stamping polish is super opaque, so I can use the white to do a French tip in one coat. So watch YouTube vids on how to use the French tip tool, it works beautifully. Der French lack sieht dat aus und halt auch lockers wie Wochen. Mit den Pinseln lassen sich die French Spitzen et gestalten. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.